To adjust date and time settings on Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate all the way down and click on the System and Update. And now we can go to date and time, and then there's all of the options for it. First we have time format, which allows you to change it to 12 hours format or 24 hours format. You can then adjust the time automatically with this option, or if you turn it off, you can change it manually. You can change the date right here, and then you can change the time. But keep in mind that changing those options manually may cause some network issues. Some apps or websites won't work. So I would recommend to activate the automatic option. The same goes for the time zone. You can also disable it and then change your time zone manually, but automatic options are the best when it comes to compatibility with websites and all sorts of the other things. And then there's the dual clock. If you have a clock widget on your home screen, when you activate this option, you'll be able to check the time from two different time zones. So you will have one, your original time zone, and in the second clock you can choose a different time zone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.